The Educator Maryam campus had Faqirian students achieve outstanding success in the 22 annual cluster level placement and debate competition organized by the Malikul educators, in which the top 10 school. The ceremony began with a recitation of the Holy Quran and Naat of the beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. All the children performed brilliant in the primary speech titled Good Manners Are a Beauty. Yushfa Huran, a brilliant student of class 5 of the Educator Maryam campus, had Faqirian won the first position. Yushfa Huran, a brilliant student of class 6, secured first position in English competition titled Save the Earth Before It's Too Late. Wajiha Haram, student of class 6 of the Educator Maryam campus, had Faqirian secured first position and won the Urdu debate. The beauty of our security in lies in its diversity, not in the same way Nisa Zahid, a student of class 10 of the Educator Maryam campus, won the first position. Similarly, in opposition to this topic, Abira Gul Alina, student of class 7, won the second position English debate. Saving the environment, a true authority of created fair. Maryam Amir, a student of class 9 of the Educator Maryam campus. Head of Faqirian won the first position. This is 6 different categories. The talent student of Educator Maryam campus made a clean sweep by the winning for first and second positions. The managing director of the Educator Maryam campus, Muhammad Zamir Ahmed, and Principal Nusrat Bashir. This markable success among the students to the tireless work of the teachers. They thanked the regional head Mr. Adnan Ahmed Khan and academic head Ms. Aisha Gilani for amazing a very good academic and intellectual competition.